Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Tune In Tuesday video. This is my third one now and I just wanted to say a massive thank you for your comments and response so far. As many of you know, we organise loads and loads of community beach cleans which you've all come to, and we really thank you for that. But something that you may not know is that we often take kayaks round to the remote and cut off places in Cornwall to remove the plastics there, as not often people go down there to clean them. So for this week's Tune In Tuesday video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me on a kayak to some of the remote and cut off places and see if we can find any plastics there. So it's now actually the day after we went down with the kayaks, and I was just so upset I couldn't even make the rest of the video last night. The amount of plastic, as you saw, was just ridiculous. There was so much there. I've never experienced a time where I've had to actually crawl through polystyrene to get some plastics out of a cave. So hopefully that just really shows you the problem that we are facing with plastic pollution. It's not just overseas or wherever you find this vast amount of plastic. We are finding it here in Cornwall, in England, where there is a ridiculous amount washing in. Those places are remote. We don't suggest that you go looking for it. It was a bit dangerous, but we know the area, we know the coastline, we've done it many times before, but like I said, I've never experienced it like that before. So keep working hard, you're all doing amazing stuff. Thank you so much for watching this week's Tune In Tuesday, and I'll see you next week.